All right, today we're taking a look at these vinyl chairs. We got the black ones, and this is how they come wrapped up. So I'm just gonna pull them out and show them to you. So first I wanted to just show you that they all come in this nice bubble wrap, so they're actually really protected well there in the box. And here's what they look like. You see they've got an ample amount of cushion here on the bottom. I'm a really big guy, and I like the cushion, but I also noticed the chairs are a little bit smaller than I was expecting, which will be great for storage. But they are a little smaller. You see that it's just a metal there with some nice support there underneath, some padding on the backrest, and then they just fold up nice and easy, and they're really compact. So nice little chairs. I was also surprised with how well these stack. You see they go flush to each other, even with this, and then these are flush underneath. They stack perfectly. So if you are looking for something that doesn't take a lot of space but has a lot of comfort, these chairs are amazing for that. So they are nice little chairs. They are compact. They're a little smaller than I expected, but they're rated to actually hold a lot of weight, and they feel super stable and secure, so they're really nice chairs.